Okay, guys, so here we are. And I don't need to explain you any further what is going to happen. Have you ever heard of those story, that story, where the lion was away and then hyenas, they came out and they started, ruling the jungle. And they started dominating everybody. But once the lion was back, they they were shown their place. They were shown their place. They were shown their place. So whenever there is a little bit of dip, the hyenas come out, the jackals come out. Wherever there is a dip, little bit, the jackals and hyenas come out. And whenever there is a little bit of a dip, the jackals and hyenas come out. The jackals and hyenas come out. But when the line is back, 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 they run away, they wither away. So in the grand scheme of things, those guys are nothing but liquidity provider. They just come, they make lots of noise. They have no clue what the market is going, where the market is going, what the market is going to do, how the market operates. They have their own theory. Like a popular theory right now is that I was listening to one video. Oh, NASDAQ has gone up so much. It has gone up so high, parabolic, that a pullback is a must. Pullback is a must. So it must correct to, May pullback or April pullback and then up. So this is a new story. After after the 44,400 support is broken, and now we are going to go down. After this story failed, and now we are back up consistently and solidly. The new story in the ground in the market is this, that Nasdaq has gone up so much that a pullback is a must. So a pullback is on the card, and Nasdaq should make a lower high. I mean, it can make lower high, no doubt, but when the jackals and hyenas start talking about lower highs or a pullback or a deeper pullback or a deeper pullback or a total crash, then it never actually materializes. It never actually comes true. There is one guy in my, there is one guy who is actually a hater, but he watches my videos regularly 2 or 3 times. And whenever there was a dip of ES, for example, the support was 4400. So whenever there was a dip for like 15 points or 20 points or 10 points, he used to comment on my videos, sending condolences. And today and yesterday and the day before yesterday, during the pump, suddenly he's posting now in my comments that, oh, I was in the long, I was in the long, I caught the long, I caught the bottom. I mean, how can it be possible? I mean, if you were jumping up and down on this fall, then how can you catch this? You cannot catch this if you are happy on this. Only lions catch this. Only lions catch this. Only lions catch this. Jackals and hyenas, they they prey on this. Only lions catch this. In NASDAQ, only lions catch this. Only lions catch this. Only lions catch this. And only again the lions will catch this. The hyenas who were happy on this, they didn't know that it was actually a time to buy. And you can see my yesterday's video, which was actually the video from day before yesterday in the group that I made for my team. So I don't know. Maybe, perhaps, lower high will come and now Nasdaq will crash. But because hyenas are saying this, so I think this will happen. But you know, that guy who is always commenting on my video, if this will happen, he will say, "Oh, I got the dip. I shorted Nasdaq." And when it will go here, he will say, "Oh, I was in the long." But all of us know, in fact, both of us know that he is short somewhere from here or here. And his biggest wish right now is to, minimize his loss. That something happens like this so that he minimizes or get out of, you know, a big drawdown. This is his biggest wish. I don't know. I don't think his wish is going to come true. Maybe it does. Who cares? But because he's a hyena, I don't think his wish will come true. I think Nasdaq should go up to make one more high. DXY, I think my dips and tops indicator is making a hidden bearish divergence. So I think DXY should fall in the coming days. Let's see. So this should put the indices in the rocket mode. I don't trade DXY with NASDAQ. I don't look at it, but I'm just doing this analysis for you guys. It's unimportant for me what DXY is doing, but I'm just doing it for you because in the video I must do something. So this is what I am saying. And this is Russell. Everybody is saying Russell is going to die. But I think Russell should make a new high from here. Or even if it will go like this, it will go up here like this. I think from here it should go up. But I don't trade Russell. I got you this bottom. So I think this bottom should hold. And now it should go up. Let's see. Who cares? So the Lions have successfully, longed when the bottom shorters were shorting 3-9. Oh, sorry. When the bottom shorters were shorting 4380, we longed it. And I think it should continue going up. Then it will do something like this, and then it should do like this. So I think this should be the floor. I already did the analysis, bigger analysis in my yesterday's video. And Some people just make money in their dreams. Like that guy who was happy when this was happening, who was sending me messages without realizing that this was an opportunity to buy. What can I say about those guys? Also, if you guys like my analysis of just making one arrow and keeping you in the correct direction instead of making two arrows like this, like all other videos on the YouTube, then please give me a like because I never confuse you guys. You have my history. I have been keeping you in the right trend for so long. And so leave a comment and give this video a like so that I know you guys are watching. Otherwise, there is no point of me making the videos. I already am doing good. I already have gotten 25, 26 people, maybe 28 people in my group with whom I talk trading. I like talking about trading. So I talk trading with them. So I think I've got my clique, I've got my group already with me. So I don't, I don't, sometimes I don't feel like making daily videos. I just make it for the heck of it. So if you guys like my work, then let me know in the comments and also give this video a like. I think I'm one heck of a trader. Anyway, I will end the video now. I will not bore you with Powell or interest rate or what do you call it? Stock market crash, which is coming. Do you want to, if you want, guys want to listen to those sort of stuff, then you guys can watch hundreds of other videos where people are making arrows like this, two arrows, where they will be always be right, no matter what happens. But I know for a fact, nobody can trade two arrows. You need only one arrow in the right direction. Few people understand this. Few people, only few. All the videos, all the analysis which have two arrows like this, like this, like this, like this is all bullshit. 90% people, they don't know trading, so they end up shorting the bottoms if the arrows is like if they have too many arrows. So most people need to trade in the correct direction, in the right direction, with proper risk management and with you know with correct principles of position sizing, they should be good. Okay, guys. See you next time.